Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that pet owners will definitely want to check out, the VIVAGLORY dog seat cover, specifically the large black hammock version. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the VIVAGLORY dog seat cover is all about. This is not just any ordinary seat cover, it's designed as a hammock-style protector for your car's back seat, making it perfect for families with furry friends. The unique design offers both comfort and safety for your pet while ensuring that your car remains protected from dirt, hair, and spills. One of the standout features of this seat cover is its double safety design. It includes a visual and ventilated mesh window, which allows you and your dog to see each other clearly at all times. This feature can significantly reduce anxiety for your dog, making car rides much more enjoyable. Plus, the durable nylon straps, reinforced stitching, concealed seatbelt openings, and front zippers all contribute to an incredibly secure setup. This means you can drive without worrying about distractions, knowing your pet is safe and comfortable. Versatility is another key aspect of the VIVAGLORY dog seat cover. When you're not traveling alone with your dog, you can easily pull down the zipper to allow your family to share the rear seat. The extra strap that secures the mesh window enhances your dog's safety area while ensuring that you can enjoy travel time together without compromising comfort. Additionally, this half-dog hammock can conveniently convert into a full hammock, a bench cover, or even a trunk liner, making it a multifunctional choice for pet owners. Now, let's discuss the fit and design. The VIVAGLORY seat cover comes in two sizes: standard, which is 52 inches wide, and large, which is 56 inches wide. This universal sizing makes it compatible with most vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks. You'll want to refer to the size chart to determine which cover is best for your needs. Plus, the unique heather khaki and heather black colors add a stylish touch to your car's interior, giving it a fresh new look. Installation is a breeze with this seat cover. The quick-release buckles make it easy to put on and take off, while seat anchors help to secure the cover firmly in place. The anti-slip backing on both the backrest and seat ensures that the cover stays put, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. This means you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that the seat cover will stay in place and your dog will feel secure. Another impressive feature is its durability and ease of cleaning. Made from heavy-duty 600 denier fabric with a water-resistant coating, the VIVAGLORY seat cover is designed to withstand the rigors of pet travel. The absorbent thicker PP cotton lining adds extra comfort while protecting against liquids and spills. Cleaning it is simple, just wipe it down with a damp cloth, vacuum it, or even rinse it off in the shower for a deeper clean. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a pet owner who frequently travels with your dog, this seat cover is an excellent investment. It's particularly beneficial for families with active pets who love to join in on road trips, hikes, or simply running errands with you. In practical use cases, whether you're heading to the dog park, going on a family vacation, or just enjoying a day out, the VIVAGLORY dog seat cover provides the protection and comfort your dog deserves while keeping your car clean and tidy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.